that my soul could depend. My soul cries out for your presence in here. This very hour, for your presence in here. In His name I find, in His name I find, in His name I find the peace I seek. In His name I find, in His name I find, in His name I find the joy I seek.
The old one is finished. This is why I keep my rice so much. Rice is full. This place is dirty, but I don't have energy to come and start cleaning it, to be honest with you. I have so many things to do.
Was not
I have this one here.
that my soul could depend. My soul cries out for your presence in here. This very hour,
Just pouring it over.
for your presence in here. In His name I find, in His name I find, in His name I find the peace I seek. In His name I find, in His name I find, in His name I find the joy I seek. In your presence I am free from the chain that has bound me. In your presence I am calm, waiting for the kingdom come. In your presence I am free from the chain that has bound me. In your presence I am calm, waiting for the kingdom come. In His name I find, in His name I find, in His name I find the peace I seek. In His name I find, in His name I find, in His name I find the joy I seek.
Hello beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It is nice to have you on my channel once again. I know I think I've not posted for almost a week now, but this video is packed. It is a vlog, it's restocking. I know you've watched a couple of clips already, restocking the house with grocery, cooking delicious meal, cleaning also, and spending time with my kids. That is what my life is all about. So on this channel I post video on food, on lifestyle, and also sometimes I post hair videos. So if you're enjoying this video so far, remember to give me a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to subscribe. Remember that subscribing is free. It does not cost you any money. It just gives you access to my upcoming videos and my previous videos as well. Okay, there's a lot for us to learn on this channel. Also, remember to
guys,
share this
so
video with your
this
family
is
and
the deal.
friends on your other social media
This is the
platforms.
deal. This is how you do this bread. This is one way to do that. So you're gonna take the akara. You're gonna take the bread like this. Hold on. And then you're going to put the akara inside. Sour akara. Sour? Akara. This is sour. Put it like that. You can put the amount you want. This bread is too thick. And then you make it into a sandwich like that. And then you eat it. Okay, this one is for Abigail. Okay, here.
This meal that I'm making here, we call this type of bread agege bread. Agege is a particular place in Lagos that they make this bread. So they name the bread after the city, after is it city or community, after the community. And we have it here made in Canada. So it is a survival food in Nigeria. This is how we normally eat it, or you can eat it plenty of ways, but this is a favorite way to eat it. Agege bread with akara. So it is a survival food that turned popular. So it's not just poor people that eat it. It's now everybody like to eat it in, especially in Lagos, but in other parts of Nigeria. So I'm just, you know, trying to go back to, it's not something I make every time, but it's something that I like. It is the taste is like, what will I say? Like chicken burger is similar to chicken burger.
She's going into the splash pad. Splash fun. See her over there. It's not a lot of people here yet. Abigail, come go in this one. So why do you want to come? She likes to come, but then she doesn't like to go in the water. The water is very cold. It's cold. Obviously it's going to be cold. It's summer. It's something for them to cool down, but whenever she comes, she hardly go into the water. She will just sit down somewhere. If it's Victoria that came, Victoria would have been running up and down into all the water.
Do you know what this, do you know this vegetable? Are you familiar with this vegetable? That's basically what I'm trying to say. Are you familiar with this vegetable or have you seen it before? Does it intimidate you? In Nigeria, we call it, or I think in most other Western African countries, it's called okra. So Okro, okra. But here in North America, it's called okra. So if you know it and you call it something different, let me know what it is called in your culture or in your country. Just let me know in the comment section. It is a popular soup that we make with this okra in Nigeria. Some people make it very drawy, like the Yoruba people, they like it very, very drawy. But me from the eastern part of Nigeria, we don't normally make our okra very, very drawy. So I'm making the Igbo style okra soup. That is how I like it. Okay, so I will put a full video of making this soup from start to finish later on. I don't know when I get to editing that video, I'll bring it to this channel, but I already have other recipes on how to make okra soup also on this channel. In case if you're interested, you can also watch those videos. I have a package here to unbox. I think I know what is here. I don't know if it's two of them, but I have an Amazon. Right here. And I want to unbox with you guys. Okay. I bought this when? Like, it was yesterday. It's so quick. It's not. Is it Prime Day? I don't even know. Anyways, let me just unbox it and show you guys. You know, this is the life of a content creator. Everything and anything is a content. So today I am using my camera. I hardly use my camera to film, to create content, and I'm going to tell you the reason why is because my camera is kind of too big, like a vlogging camera. Number one. Number two, cameras are not handy for me. I prefer my phone. My phone is with me anytime, especially somebody like me who doesn't plan content per se, like schedule content. There you go, schedule content. My own is on the whim. Number three, the reason why I don't use my camera most often is because you can pause your video and continue. Unlike your phone, you can pause and continue. Camera, you can just, so with camera
you create a lot of short clips that takes a lot of time to edit. But with a phone, you can create a much longer clip because you can pause your video and continue and pause and continue like that. Especially if you're making like cooking content, you're going to have like tons and tons of clips to edit. Editing is not easy. Anyways, so this is what I have. I bought a microphone because I realized that my audios are very bad when I use my phone because I don't have a microphone. So I try to invest. I invested in this thing. So this is a clip-on microphone, wireless lavalier microphone, plug and play. I will try it and see. So it's a clip-on microphone. I see a lot of people use it. So it's like you clip it on like this, so that even if you're far away, the microphone will be able to record your audio will be better. So I'm going to try it. I just want to unbox it. I haven't tried it. I have to read the manual which is here. So it came in this. I will do a review when I try it on, when I fix it and try it on, to tell you what it looks like or what it sounds like. But this is what it is. So this is the first one. Later, this one is a headset for when I'm editing and I want to do a voiceover. I will use this one. So this thing came so quickly. I ordered it yesterday. I ordered it the day before, but I paid for it yesterday, and it's here. So this one is a wireless. I will also do a review. This is what it looks like. So I have one for my work. Oh, I like it. Oh, this one has two, like you can hear from both sides, right? So from this side and from this side. The one I have for work is just one side. It's one-sided, but this one I like it. And I also like that this thing is wide enough. Like this part is wide enough. The one I have for work, I have to put it this way because I talk to a lot of people at work. And I love this one. I haven't tried it. When I try it, I'm going to tell you guys. I'm going to do a review and tell you guys what it feels like. But yeah, this is so nice until I try it. Okay, so that's the two things that I bought as an investment into my YouTubing, into my content creation. Hopefully it pays out, right? Hopefully this YouTubing thing pays out, because at this point I'm about to give up again. Okay, I give up quite easily when it comes to YouTube because number one, I don't have a lot of time to do this YouTubing thing, but nobody told me to start YouTube. I'm the one who is pushing myself. But I can do better. I know I can do much better. I can be more consistent in posting videos. YouTube is so stressful, it's so competitive. But anyways, these are the two things that I bought as an investment into my YouTube. And I just want to share it with you guys. But that's it, guys.